Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying you have admin rights and credentials. This saves time. Next, decide which proxy type fits your goal. HTTP for web, SOCKS 5 for apps, HTTPS for encrypted traffic. Once decided, obtain the proxy host, port, and any username/password. Open your device or app's network settings and locate the manual proxy section. Enter host, port, then add credentials if required. Make sure to save and test immediately. Because an early test confirms connectivity, once done with basic entry, you verify routing and leaks. Configure proxy at the system level or inside the specific app. System level affects all apps, app level isolates traffic. Use tools like curl or a browser to request an external IP check and run traceroute to inspect hops. Make sure to enable logging or packet capture briefly to confirm headers and source IP are correct. If you see mixed traffic, adjust proxy exceptions or force the app to use SOCKS 5 via a tunnel. You finish by hardening and automating. Enforce authentication, enable TLS if available, and set rotation schedules or a proxy pool to avoid single-point failures. Configure DNS to prevent leaks and document the proxy endpoints for maintenance. Finally, test failover by disabling a proxy and confirming the alternative picks up. If things go wrong, first check direct connectivity to the proxy host and port with Telnet or NC. This isolates a network reachability issue from a misconfiguration in credentials or client settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.